Well, today is a wonderful celebration for Annadale. We've been working on this civic space for about 6 years, and it's come to fruition. There are wonderful accessible pathways that brings the Daniels Avenue side, which is residential, to the Columbia Pike side, which is a downtown Annadale commercial. There's a demonstration garden. There's a topographic playground. What is that? It's a mound, and kids can roll down the hill. It's wonderful. We're dedicating this space to Eileen Garnett, who was one of the founders in 1984 of the Annadale Beautification Committee. It's just a perfect remembrance of Eileen to name this Downtown Annadale Civic Space for Eileen Garnett. This is a traditional Fairfax County dedication. The chairman of the board, Jeff McKay, will be here. I'm here. We will have a member of the Garnett family speaking, and then we'll do the ribbon cutting. This is a county property, and so this is open to all. And we want everybody who came today to see the variety of things that we have to offer in Fairfax County to make it a great place to live, work, play, worship, and learn.
Well, if you look, here we have a daycare center, an apartment complex, a commercial center. What this space can do is be an opportunity to bring those communities together, to provide a place for residents in the community to gather in a great environment, just a great opportunity to reuse space that otherwise was not used for anything, turn it into a real community amenity. I think the outpouring of support here from so many folks just shows how important things like this are to build sense of civic pride. But to really be able to dedicate this entire facility to somebody who spent a lifetime working to revitalize Annadale also is really special.